Put your shoulders back, put your chest out and suck your tummy in. For me, when I want to feel a little more from here, I'll just keep going like this by the end of it. Today I had like a ponytail to do like this Rihanna gif. That's me right here. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and I've seen that a lot of you guys seem to like my, fashion hacks sort of a video. So I wanted to do this video because a couple of you guys requested it also, and I just wanted to share a couple of tips and tricks that I have kind of found out to make my waist appear a little smaller. A lot of you commented and said that you wanted to know like what I do to achieve like a smaller waist. Honestly, I don't think I have that, I don't have like this Kim Kardashian sort of a waist, but I have figured out a couple of tips and tricks that help you kind of do some magic and voodoo, fashion voodoo if I may say so, to kind of give you the illusion of a smaller waist. So if you want to know what they are, please keep watching. First and foremost is definitely high-waisted pants, and I cannot stress this enough as to how amazing high-waisted jeans are to make your waist appear smaller. So the reason why high-waisted pants and jeans are very, very flattering and will give you the illusion of a smaller waist is because they actually cut you at the smallest part of your waist. So doesn't matter if you're size 8 or 18, if you wear a high-waisted jeans, like it usually hides all that muffin top situation that you have going around the lower part of your belly, and it all gets sucked in and sits right all inside those pants and jeans and gives you a little more of a structure and hourglass figure. And I have to say that I am a major fan of high-waisted jeans. And I think high-waisted anything, like high-waisted skirts, jeans, just anything that hits right at the waist is going to give you a smaller waistline. Next up is a cool little trick that I am sure all of you guys know, but it is wearing a belt. And I think that belts are such a cool yet underrated accessory that you really can do so much with it. I know that Komal also made like a small Instagram video about how to use belts. I thought that was super cool, but the way that I like to use it is to kind of give a baggy, loose shirt or dress or something that does not have any kind of structure a little more structure. So as you can see here, just by adding that belt, it is going to make your waist appear so much more smaller, and it's going to accentuate your shoulders and give you a really nice form. You can try this with, like I said, loose shirts, t-shirts, even kurtis, or even like baggy dresses that you want to give a little more of definition. And just adding like this small little accessory goes such a long way, and it makes your waist look tiny. So this is definitely my go-to trick for a smaller waistline. Next up is definitely experimenting with crop tops and basically with prints. And actually, I have to tell you guys, I'm not the biggest fan of prints. Like, you will rarely see me in like a lot of prints. I like going in for like solid colors. But I feel like if you want to accentuate your waist, you can wear like neutral colored pants, and if you wear like a more colorful or printed color crop top, it really accentuates your waist and gives you the illusion of a smaller waistline, because the top hits you right at the smallest part of your waist. So it kind of gives you that little sexy, a little something sort of a vibe, and I feel like this outfit is perfect for the summers. Next up is definitely shapewear, and I have spoken about this before. I don't know why women shy away from talking about shapewear. I mean, everyone uses it. My mom uses it, I use it, Kim Kardashian uses it. She even has her own line of shapewear now. So let's just get real and talk about shapewear, okay? So for a smaller waistline, actually this is something my mom used to wear, and I learned from her. There are these panties which are like tummy tuckers which you can wear, and it's going to really like keep everything inside and give you such a beautiful waistline. This is legit magic if you ask me, and it changed my life when I came to know about this. Also, you can try waist trainers. So let me tell you about waist trainers. I have tried it in the past, and I will say that it takes a little bit of time to get comfortable with it because it's a very movement restrictive garment. So you will feel very uncomfortable in the beginning of it all, but I feel like it does ease into you. But I don't wear a waist trainer to kind of train my waist to make it smaller or anything like that. I use it more as a shapewear, honestly, than as a waist trainer. And if I'm wearing something bodycon and I really want my waist to look like snatched and sexy, I sometimes wear the waist trainer underneath, and it gives so much of a definition. I can feel a major difference in how I look once I wear the waist trainer and when I don't. So for me, when I want to feel a little more, I'll definitely wear the waist trainer. Next up is something that I don't know if everyone else will agree with me, but this is just something that I have figured for myself, and that is wear a padded bra. And I'll tell you why it makes your waist look smaller, because if you have like a boxy sort of a frame and you wear a padded bra, which gives you that extra cleavage, a little something extra up top. I'm like the queen of the itty bitty titty community. So just if you wear a padded bra, you see like your stomach appears a lot more thinner than it did before you wore a padded bra. It's just, that concave, convex sort of illusion. So just because you have more protrusion on your chest, your waist appears to be slightly smaller. So yeah, just wear a really nice padded bra, which will not only boost your cleavage and confidence and also make your waist appear thinner. Next up is something that I seriously cannot stress enough, and that is correcting your posture. I feel like a lot of us, including me, because I'm sitting on a chair talking to you guys, or I'm sitting on the editing table. So from here, I'll just keep going like this by the end of it. And I realized that it is so bad, not just for your neck, your back, your shoulder. And I know a lot of you guys either sit in classrooms or at work, at a desk. So correcting your posture is so important. So just every now and then ensure that you put your shoulders back, put your chest out, and suck your tummy in. Just by correcting your posture, you're going to have such a nice smaller waistline. Like, you're going to give the illusion of a smaller waistline just because you kind of sit like that and not plonk your tummy out. This is just a small little trick, but I feel like it goes such a long way. It not only boosts your confidence, but it makes you feel really put together, and it's also healthy for you. So yeah. Last but definitely not the least, I feel like all these fashion voodoos and little thingy-majiggies that we have talked about will not be of any use if you don't exercise, my dears. And it doesn't matter what size you are or how skinny you are. What matters is that you get your limbs moving, you get your body going, and do whatever physical form of exercise you like. It can be running, swimming, aerobics, dancing, playing a sport, anything which burns some calories, gets you sweating, makes you feel good, and gets your endorphins flowing. I feel that is what's important. Definitely like adding a couple of ab exercises, squats, crunches and stuff like that are going to help a lot when it comes to toning your tummy area. Also, like, just doing 100 sit-ups will not help you in any way. So ensure that you're following like a decent diet and a healthy lifestyle in order to achieve like your desired waistline. But if you're a beginner, just getting into some sort of an exercise, pick something that you like initially to just kind of get into the groove of things. I think that is going to not only help you feel better, get you that waistline that you want, and it's going to make you look amazing in the clothes that you're wearing. So yes, I think that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope if you guys like these kind of videos and you find them helpful, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do more of these videos for you guys, and I feel like these are more fun to do also because I'm able to share some of my experience with you. And let me know if you have any hacks for me. Yeah, I'm like always open to learning more. That's what I love about what we have here. It's like a big, informative community. And subscribe to my channel, free air, 150k soon. Please hit that notification bell so you are notified every time you tell me say it with me, to be notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Today I had like a ponytail to do like this Rihanna gif. That's me right here.